guys, this is Stella from Team Wonder, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get this really beautiful romantic look, perfect for any special occasion or even a date night with your special someone. So keep on watching. So I'm going to prep my skin with In Moisturizer, especially because it's winter. I always find that my skin gets like cracky and dry, and I feel like to get a flawless finish you always have to moisturize, and I really love this because it has Pentavitin, which is an ingredient that kind of retains 72 hours of moisture, so it really penetrates the skin and gives you like a glowy look. For my base, I'm going to use Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I really love this foundation because it's super lightweight. I usually tend not to use liquid foundations and stick to BB or CC creams, but I really love this one because it feels like a BB and CC, but it gives you really amazing coverage. And then I'm going to blend with the Nude Illusion foundation brush. Really love it because it's dual-ended, so I can kind of get into the hard-to-reach corners with this tip and then blend out seamlessly because it's super dense and super soft, so it makes buffing really, really easy. So I'm going to fill in my brows with the Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. I really love this brow pencil because the micro tip makes it super easy to make those really lifelike, hair-like strokes. And I always like to go with like a natural full brow, so this is a perfect product for me. And I'm using shade Taupe. So for my eyes, I'm going to put on Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow, and I'm going to use the shade Amber Wave. And it's this beautiful copper color, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. Take the shade Champagne Falls. I'm going to put it in my inner corners and my brow bone. That way I can kind of give a highlight to my eye, make them pop a little more, and kind of give a luminous look to my eyes overall. For mascara, I'm going to use Unlash. I love this mascara because it does a really good job of defining and lengthening my super sparse eyelashes, but also it conditions my lashes with a bunch of lash loving ingredients, so it kind of helps me develop my lashes, helps them grow, while also making them look really nice during the day. So for my lips, I'm going to be using Lip Setter in Bold and Beijing. It's a beautiful, brilliant red color, but what I'm going to do is do a diffused lip. And the way we're going to do that is apply a bunch of pigment in the center of my lips and diffuse it out with the Nude Illusion that I used on my face before. So for my cheeks, I'm going to go back in with Lip Setter and just do a little dot on the center of my cheeks. The cream formula does a really good job of giving me a very natural flush. So to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with Catch the Light Highlighter and Glotion. I love this formula because it gives a really beautiful from within glow. Nothing too harsh, and it comes off really, really natural, but also super dewy. So I'm going to take the liquid side, the glotion part, and I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand and dab it on the high points of my face. For a super intense highlight on really core areas of my face, I'm going to go in with the stick side of the highlighter, and that kind of just gives you a more focused glow right in certain areas of the face. So I'm going to focus on my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and my brow bone. So this is the finished look. Super dewy skin, rosy cheeks, really bold eyes, and a gradient lip. You could get this entire look using Wonder Beauty products, and they're all available at wonderbeauty.com. And also you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is @stella.king. Catch you guys next time.